Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler and it's train time. Well, behind me there is the VRE and Amtrak station here in Old Town Manassas, Virginia, and I'm waiting on Amtrak's 171 Northeast Regional, and then we'll also see the Norfolk Southern Rock train, and I think a VRE will stop by also. But if you remember in my video the other day, I posted a video of this guy almost getting hit by the Amtrak train. He was about 2 to 3 feet away, and I was thinking, oh boy, I better not see an accident. Well, here we go again today. While waiting on the Amtrak train, there's a gentleman out here with his probably 2 or 3-year-old daughter taking pictures of her on the rail, in between the tracks, all over the place. And then he goes off and disappears. And then you hear the sound of the Amtrak coming, the gates are down, and then out of nowhere this guy appears with his daughter, and they're slowly crossing the tracks. And I'm thinking, oh, you know, the horn's blowing and everything, and this guy's taking a chance with his daughter. And I'm thinking all they had to do was fall down, and it could get pretty ugly really quick here. So they finally cross the tracks as the horn's blowing, and they're walking pretty close to the tracks. Then they back off a little bit. Then they're giving the the sign here, blow your horn. And so the train's blowing his horn and whistling, but the guy is just right there by the tracks. I mean, people take so many chances, and they wonder why people die every year of trains. So just a reminder, stay away from the tracks, people. It's not that important. If you want to get that close, put your tripod next to the tracks and get a picture. The worst thing can happen is your tripod will blow over with your camera. So, all right, let's go see the trains. What an idiot. There's always an idiot. Well, a good day. We caught a Amtrak train, a Norfolk Southern, and a VRE, and also the village idiot taking a chance on his life and his daughter's life crossing the tracks. Thank God they didn't fall down. As you remember the video I posted the other day, there was a gentleman close to the tracks. I mean, what is it with these people? I'm sure it's like this every day, probably all over this country, probably all over the world. People getting really close to the tracks just to take a picture of a train. Just put your camera on a tripod and stand back or get a zoom lens and get a shot. But it's just not worth it, people. I mean, come on. Use your brain once in a while. Oh my God, this gets me so mad. I almost saw 3 deaths in 2 days. So that's my little rant. And I think I'm going to get out of here. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails. Just don't get close.